Hello student, welcome back to Genius Print Educations, and today I'm going to tell you about this VVM 2021 level 2 examination. Okay, so I have that means appeared here quite lately, and for that reason I am extremely sorry, but somehow I have managed this times and appeared here for this level 2 examinations, and I understood that these informations are very important for you because exams is going to conduct within a couple of days. Okay, so this is a very important information for all of you, but before I will begin, I will request all of you please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification regarding this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So here I am going to tell you some of this information about this level 2 examinations, which are number one, how this exams is going to conduct. Okay, so in this that means how the exams will conduct. Okay, so conducting mode is only in two, that means in online. Okay, exam will be in online basis. Online. Okay, exam will be online. There is two that means device must have, because one device, that means whatever information I know now, one device will be there for this Zoom communication, through which they will see, that means whether you are doing some illegal activities or not, and another device, that means through this another device you will have to give these exams. Okay, but at that times you have to make sure that your internet speed is must be sufficient, and no phone, that means incoming calls, so that they cannot call, and that if that means accidental calls appear, then you should not receive this call. You have to avoid these things, or you can cut this. Okay, but you should do this with your own risk, but don't receive this. Okay, so and don't minimize this. See, in a that is a level 1 examinations, some of the student I know that they minimize the screens, and as a result their exam sheet automatically submitted. So please don't do these things, because these are rules and regulations from the that means whatever they inform us. Okay, so these are very important things. You should keep in mind these things while doing these exams. Okay, so exams should be in online mode only, no offline, online, and there must be two that means device for it. Okay, so sometimes a student will not that means able to manage two device, and they are suffering very problems regarding these things. So please take another mobile phone from your neighbors, or you can say, or from your other family members, and manage this for 2 days, 2 hours. Okay, and we know that exams date is that means announced. What is the exam date? Is 14th Feb. Okay, so 14th Feb, and another is most probably was 21st of Feb, most probably. Okay, so this is the sure. Some of the state are going to conduct these things, and other state will be conduct on this second date. Okay, it may be some 23 or else, but it is sure. Okay, so you should see our that means previous video and make sure about this date. Okay, so this is the exam date, and mode of these exams will be online. Okay, this is first information. Another information is procedure. Procedure I have told it now. Okay, so next things is marks distribution. Marks distributions in level 1 there was another pattern, but in level 2 they changed these patterns. Okay, so they will basically that means do or gives this that means questions from 3 or 4 different categories. Number 1 is 20% of total weightage should be from this your text. Okay, should be from your text. For example, physics plus chemistry plus bio plus math, and most probably 5 question from each section will there. Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 5, there should be 20 marks. That means out of 100 you will get that means face 20 marks from this text base. Okay, so extra preparation regarding these things I will not suggest to you. Yes, you can take these things, but only 20 marks will be covered from this text basis. Okay, so these things is your textual base. And another thing, there should be 30% of total weightage from this contribution to science, okay, and their syllabus already uploaded. I am sure their syllabus already uploaded in their website, so you can visit these things, okay, in vvm.org.in, okay, vvm.org.in. so in this website you can see these things already, okay. You have to log in these things first of all, okay. So here 30% should be contribution to science, okay, and next is 40% of the total weightage should be from this experimental things. What is these things? I am going to make you understand these things. Experimental. See, in that case they will show different experiment or different video regarding different experiment or activities in another, that means Zoom classes or something, another communicating class, and through this video, that means by seeing this video you have to answer this 40% of these marks, okay. So maximum marks they are going to conduct in this experimental basis, okay. So this is very important. They will show you different video, and regarding this video you have to note down different informations from this video, whatever things are necessary for going to, that means for calculating different numerical problems or some other questions. So you should write down the information from this video and solve this question in your that means another mobile in examinations, okay. So I am sure this procedure is going to conduct, because whatever information I know is like that, okay. So this is 40% of the total weightage, and remaining 10% is weightage from your toys basis. That means they will show different toys, okay. They will show different toys, and it may be animation like something, and from this toys, that means animation, you have to answer this 10 marks of these questions, okay. So it is 30 plus 40 becomes 70, and 20 90, and 10 is 100%, okay. So this is total 100% marks distribution, okay. So you have to note down these things and prepare yourself by for that means through this weightage, okay. So these are very important information regarding this marks distributions, okay. So here I have discussed how exams will be conducted, and what is the procedure for that, and marks distributions also. And exam date is, I already mentioned that it is on that 2 date, okay. So I am appreciated with them, because it's a very prestigious exams, and it will represent your state, and if you represent your state you should have sufficient quality for that, okay. So without doing any illegal activities, you should another thing is that you should that means give this examination very very carefully, because noise can comes, but you should that means avoid this noise, because they can that automatically take this different noise, because you should go in a particular room where there is not sufficient noise, because if they know about this noise, then they can take your exams off, because this for that reason they are basically that means making these examinations very strict, and so that you cannot get different help from others, okay. So noise reductions is very important. And another thing is that you should place this camera other mobile that means 2 feet or 2 meters something from you and in front of you, so that you can they can that means see you properly, okay. So these things you should follow, and do not that means take other persons in your room, okay. So this procedure you should follow for that, okay. So when this exams, that means result will conduct, I will take another video for it, and no need to worry about it. And I am sure those who that means appearing for that exams are in a very exciting mood, but you should not be that means very nervous regarding these exams, okay. So please prepare yourself and give these exams enthusiastically, okay. So I will request all of you, please keep in mind these informations and prepare yourself or boost yourself, so that you can get this maximum marks, okay. And next is next. So these things are important informations. That means very important informations. I understand, that means I think for you. So see our all this video, and if you have another query regarding this exam, please write on this comment sections, and I will try to give this answer. See, it is sometimes not possible for us to keep answer, that means in an accurate time, because we are doing some offline classes also. So please show us that means patience, and wait after writing this comment, wait for some times, and I am sure definitely if it is your query, and if it is your very important query, then I will definitely that means give this answer to all of you. Okay, so this was our small video regarding this VVM level 2 examination. So please see this full video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to like. Okay, so these things it now. Okay, so thank you.